Really?
What, man? I need reference.
What?
He's rolling.
How do you act? Come on now. I saw the reflection out of the monitor, and I'm like, what the fuck is he doing?
Stop that. Dude, you do one. You could be riding an elephant.
Yeah, I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna go meditate on the shitter, and I'll talk to you later. Just, you know, do whatever. And the unicorns are shitting purple rainbows. I need to change your diapers. I'll talk to you later.
An elephant.
No, it's okay. Silent Bob's waiting for me. We're gonna go chasing Amy. It's gonna be a long ride. I don't, you know.
I got a gift certificate to that, right? Kyle, I can hear you texting.
Hey, Bailey!
What?
There's a bomb on the toilet!
What?
We're all gonna die, man! Game over, man! Game over, man!
Tim?
Again.
You saucy motherfucker.
I need to double check on lines. Slipped some rosin on the frog.